Welcome to the exciting world of 1,000 vlogs. Thai cuisine has gained immense popularity in Australia, celebrated for its vibrant flavors, aromatic spices, and fresh ingredients. With its perfect blend of sweet, sour, salty, and spicy elements, Thai food offers a unique dining experience that satisfies a variety of palates. In this category, diners can explore an array of dishes ranging from fragrant curries to delicious stir-fries and delectable noodle dishes. DoDee Paidang Swanston stands out as a premier Thai restaurant located in Melbourne. Known for its authentic recipes and warm ambience, this establishment provides a true taste of Thailand, ensuring every guest enjoys a culinary journey that transports them to Southeast Asia. The menu at DoDee Paidang Swanston features a comprehensive selection of traditional Thai dishes crafted by skilled chefs who are passionate about their craft. Guests can indulge in classics such as pad thai, green curry, and tom yum soup, each prepared with the freshest local ingredients and traditional Thai herbs and spices. Additionally, DoDee Paidang Swanston offers a variety of vegetarian and vegan options, making it a suitable choice for all dietary preferences.
Ikaw ano ka? Dalawa kayo nito? Yun lang.
Nakapad Thai.
Pad Thai. Yung office or mommy? Ha? Somebody has to order the order. There, over there. Lalabas ang huli. Eh, doon ka mag-order.
Please like, share, and subscribe. Please do watch our other Melbourne, Australia vlogs. Please do watch our other food crawl series. Furthermore, DoDee Paidang Swanston frequently hosts special events and promotions, allowing guests to experience the rich cultural heritage of Thailand through food festivals and themed nights. With its commitment to quality food and exceptional service, DoDee Paidang Swanston has become a beloved dining spot in Melbourne. For anyone searching for an unforgettable Thai dining experience, DoDee Paidang Swanston promises to deliver an array of exquisite dishes that are sure to tantalize taste buds and leave a lasting impression. Discover the magic of Thai cuisine at DoDee Paidang Swanston in Melbourne today.
This is not the one I said. Yeah, you have fried chicken?
Oh!
Yeah, you said fried chicken. You killed it.
Wala na, naluto.
grilled. You want to taste it? It's harder. Okay, wait.
Have you had the chance to visit Melbourne, Australia? Or are you planning a visit soon? Please comment down below.
Pad Thai. Thank you.
Yun lang binorder mo, isa lang?
$20.
Ah, okay.
Sabay-sabay tayo po. Sarap na. Ayan, chicken. Lalasa mo chicken. Pepper chicken. Thank you.
What's the taste?
Daddy, cucumber.
Thank you for watching.
Nahanap mo na?
Mia, what's the verdict? May mayonnaise ka na sa labi.
Sarap?
Yung pad thai mo, masarap.
Okay na.
Hindi na nagsasalita si gutom.